Oh, how I long to walk along your shoreline again, as I was wont to do, alone and barefoot, deep in thought, thankful for the ocean, for the sand, for the solitude, for a chance to talk with God, His angels, and His saints without distraction. Many a time I would recite the Our Father along the shore as part of my pilgrimage. I cried out towards the ocean, the gray clouds, the unwavering sun, pleading for mercy to soothe my broken heart. I could feel the chilly waters against my feet, and I rejoiced in that biting cold, knowing I was alive, present in the moment, a child of nature, a child of God. Ocean Beach was my church, where I worshiped. Prayers were heard, prayers were answered. Whether I stayed 30 minutes or several hours, I would leave feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, ready to face the ruthless world ahead of me once again. The sunny, pristine beaches of Hawaii gladdened my heart as well, but not in the way that you did, Ocean Beach. With my native San Franciscan feet firmly planted in the ever-shifting sand, I felt grounded to Mother Earth, to the land of my birth. Ocean Beach, my sanctuary, my comfort, my strength. How I miss you so.